les filles et garçons, les femmes et les hommes. Bonsoir, comment ça va? How are you doing? Welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Noel, and thank you so much for tuning in and clicking in right here, right again. Thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for tuning in to my vlog or into my channel. And if you're new here, you're my viewer, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, you're welcome. Please pause and just click on that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell. In case I upload new videos, you'll be the first person to be alarmed. So guys, as you can see, today I'm gonna do videos like in bits. It's not like detailed, but just in bits. What I've been just filming, like kidogo, a bit, and like I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. It's fatigue. Blame on fatigue. So I'm gonna put whatever the footages that I have, and I'm just doing the intro because I did not do the introduction before I did the videos. So I'm gonna show you the footage of salon. I went to the salon and made my hair. You can see this is my new look. Comment down below because I know I haven't done such a look like my whole, I don't know, since campus. And I told myself, why not? Let me explore a little bit. Let me do something different from what you guys are used to, because I'm used to braids. You know me, I'm used to braids. So I'm trying to like explore, even though I'm not a kind of girl who love the bulky hairstyles. That's not me, because I feel uncomfortable because of the heat and all that. It's not my thing, but I'm trying. So guys, stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please make sure you do so, and comment down below in the comment section, guys. Please comment, let me know what you think about the whole video. What do you love, what do you like, or what do you expect on the next video? You can suggest as well, and you can also share my videos to your family and friends, and yeah, I appreciate. So guys, I'm contemplating of doing the fashion video on the next vlog. I hope so. Keep me in your prayers. I hope I'll have the energy tomorrow and I'll be able to do it for you guys. So let's get into the video.
Don't push back. Don't push back. Conscience under pressure.
Hi guys, another day of cooking. So here I'm just preparing my 300 bob mbuzi meat, that's goat meat, and here I'm steaming the cabbage here in this pot right here. Yeah, so this is what I'm cooking, and ugali later. So right now it's just like I just let it to simmer. So yeah, I let it to simmer. Yeah, so guys, that's it. Stay tuned. Et voila mes amis, so I think my meat is now ready, like so ready to be consumed. And my cabbage here is doing so well. I just did not put tomatoes on this cabbage because that is not my liking. I like my cabbage just steamed with onions, and that's it. And my meat here just for one person, do not mind. And I'm using a huge pot, do not mind again. Yeah, so that's it. Let me know, what do you think? I did not take you through the whole process because I find it cliche, like okay right now, because I'm preparing like 2 course meals, I think. Yeah, you'll be able to see if I'm gonna continue with this video. You will be able to know, and if not, then I'll see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed. Ciao ciao. So guys, that has been it. Thank you so much for staying put and watching the entire video. I do appreciate. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one because I'm wrapping up the video right here right now. Yeah, so tell a friend to subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and we are close. Thank you so much for making an effort of bringing your friends and all that. I do appreciate. Thank you so much. So let me see you on my next video. Au revoir. Ciao ciao. I love you.